Hat carry clips were a game changer for hat lovers on the go when we introduced them in 2016. These clips allow you to mount your hat safe from damage and are suitable for carrying all styles from felt cowboy hats to caps. I'll run you through how to attach 3 felt wide brim hats to your favourite backpack. You'll need your hat or hats, carry clips, which come in packs of 2, your backpack. To get started, attach the first carry clip to the top straps of your backpack. Depending on the height of your bag, you can control the length of the clips by looping them back on themselves. Next, mount your hat by clasping onto the hat's brim edge. For flat bags like carry-on cases, this might be secure enough, but in this case I'll show you how to secure the bottom of the hat with your second clip. Flip down the hat sweatband and attach the second clip to its edge. Then loop the other end around the bottom of your backpack shoulder strap. This makes it easier to navigate through tight spaces without damage. If you're carrying multiple hats, stack them from largest to smallest. Detach the bottom clip and nest the hats inside and secure. You can comfortably carry up to 4 hats with this method. And just like that, you're ready to take your hats wherever you go, worry free.